Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Hifsa and this is Copywriting with Hifsa. In today's video, I will share about my story, why I choose to focus on one skill and why I choose landing page, more specifically sales page. By the end of video, you will understand why focusing matter and how to start your copywriting journey right way. And have you ever felt stuck trying to learn too many things at once? Let me know in comments. By the end of 2023, I reached that phase where I knew my life had to change. I regret wasting a year of my life waiting for the perfect moment to start, but I truly will that God pushed me and said, you are capable now, take responsibility of your life. So in the start of January 2024, I finally decided to learn copywriting. I knew I had talent, but I felt stuck because I'm learning everything like copywriting, content writing, creative writing, digital marketing, SEO, but nothing specific. Even with the master degree, I realized that success doesn't come from degrees alone. You need one skill and you need to specialize in it. I also love creative writing. That's something that come to me naturally. But I learned that even with the talent, focus what matters most. Do you have a skill you love but you feel scattered? Share it below. I did love to hear. I used to watch content creation videos. Modern Millie inspired me a lot. For copywriting, Alice Cotoni inspired me, but her videos for a wider audience, not for the roadmap for the beginner copywriter. That's when I decided to create my YouTube channel where I guide the beginners step by step, save time, and help people to focus. Most of beginners try to learn everything at once, like email, social media, ads, website. That's only confuses you and slow you down. Even within copywriting, you need to pick one type and deeply practice on it and master in it. Which type of copywriting do you feel most drawn to? Let me know. I will read every response. Why I choose landing page, more specifically sales page, because they're highly paid, in demand and challenging. You can write high converting landing page. You can almost write any other kind of copy like email, other kind of landing page and ads. The only difference between these copies are client needs, purpose, word count, and audience. Once you become master on a sales page, you can other thing becomes easier for you. So remember this, don't switch between 10 courses or 50 videos. You focus on one skill and one purpose. Clear your mind, practice regularly, and learn step by step. On this channel, I will guide you like a real class. No shortcut, no hype, only real proven copywriting methods. So subscribe now and start your journey with me. Previous video and my 2-day videos, I cover every basics of copywriting, difference between copywriting and content writing, and what the purpose of this channel and goal of this channel. So from next video, we will officially start learning how to write a landing page step by step, and keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.